I like niggas who don't ask to hit my blunt, yeah. I like bank roses on the closing pounds up in the trunk. I know hood niggas that'll fuck you up, but you only took a sip, how you already drunk. I don't like no Molly, don't like Percocets, I'd rather smoke one. My ex think that I'm coming back, I told him, boy, you so dumb. I call you a little bitch, but nigga, you a hoe.
My eyebrows are not gonna look that good because my eyebrow lady is not open, and I think I already destroyed them trying to pluck them myself. So I mean, my eyebrows might not look that good, but okay.
Okay. What kind of word is that? Okay.
Why do I still have that if there's nothing in there? Yeah, okay. Oh. Foundation are like too dark for me right now because I'm like really super bright, so my makeup that I usually use has gotten too dark for me right now because, you know, I mean, I think that's like for every girl, right? Your foundation, just you have a foundation for the foundation for winter. Your foundation color changes. Mine does. Like in the winter, it's way brighter than my summer foundation, but now it's like, oh, shoot, it's like, you know, where I need it to be. So yeah, it's like super bright right now, and I'm really just, you know, BSing right now because I really don't know what I want to do with my makeup wise. But yeah, I have to really understand. I really like makeup. I just got pregnant, got really nauseous all the time, didn't really feel like doing it, lost the touch a little bit. No lie though, I used to kind of be cold at it, but oh yeah, I forgot my tape. Let me go get that real quick. BRB. Forgot. And I love watching makeup tutorials. That's like really the number one thing that I watch anyways on YouTube. Makeup tutorials because it's entertaining. I mean, I watch really anything because for some reason all the weird stuff start popping up my notifications and I be watching it. Like right now I'm watching like some hoarding stuff. That show about hoarders. It's very entertaining. Yeah. But anyways. Yeah, when I got pregnant, barely did my makeup. Well, didn't do makeup at all, really. I can count on my hands how many times I did it in the whole entire 9 months. And my hair didn't really do that. So I'm really trying to get back in the groove and stuff, you know, trying to get back to me or whatever. I forgot if you do dark first light. I really don't remember. I really don't even do all them colors like that. Do all them crazy colors like that. Let's see, the chocolate. This palette was so beautiful to me that I just had to get it. I'm just gonna use the brown one. I'm just gonna use this. We're gonna see, y'all. We're just gonna see, okay? Be here all day. With the braids, I really like the tribal braids because, you know, I like stuff like this because it makes me look, you know, I got that exotic or whatever. But a lot of hair, and I really just cannot sit there for that long. Like, I was thinking about getting knotless braids, but I was thinking to myself, Miranda, do you really want to sit there for that long? And I just can't do it right now. Like, these weren't that bad sitting through, but if I get some box braids, knotless braids, anything like that, I'm gonna be there all day. And I don't really like that, being there all day. I just really cannot sit that long like I used to anymore, because way back in the day, I used to get micro braids. And micro braids took me 2 days to finish. You used to go home and then used to come back to the girl's house and get it done. So yeah, that was the younger me. The older me cannot. I cannot. I'm being honest, I cannot. What? Sounds like darker than that one. I cannot. Being honest, I cannot. That's torture beyond torture right there. No, ma'am, not for me. I'm good. I'm good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, oh my god. Ooh. Yeah, don't take me serious though, cause I just be doing stuff. I just be really doing stuff, but people tell me it looks nice. I mean, I always get compliments on my stuff. I guess I be doing something right, you know what I'm saying? This one was a little dark, so I think I had something on my brush. I don't know. But I really love makeup though. I think I'm gonna start really taking it serious. Might go to cosmetology school, I don't know. I might go to cosmetology school. I really might, because I really wake up and do something you like, because do something you like, because I know when I went to college in the fall in 2018, college, and baby, I was just doing stuff. I'm not even gonna lie, I really just went to college to get out of my house. That's really what I went to do. Just live on campus, and I was just doing stuff, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Do what you like to do. Don't waste money and do all that crazy stuff. Really do what you want to do in life. You know, like, really decide what you want to do. Because if you just go and you're just gonna waste time. You know, gonna waste a lot of time. So really, like, choose what you want to do before you just go up there and just do the fool, you know. I'm just going to college just to be going to college, because that's what I was doing. Oh, that's just took away my brown. I just went to college to get out the house so I can have some type of freedom, boo. I'm not even lying to you. But I'm gonna go back for makeup. Don't know yet. It's kind of, you know, not that easy when you have a child anyways. But I love being a mom. Wouldn't trade it for all the tea in China. I love being a mom. Love it. I feel like also when I went to college, it was not fun like that for me. I mean, I really, you know, I was supposed to really go to the military anyways, but life switched up and, you know, that's how I ended up going to, you know, college. Ended up going to college. And, I mean, college is alright. I mean, it ain't all that in a bag of chips, you know. School is not for everybody. Plain and simple. You know, people out here who didn't even go to college that make billions of dollars, so really not judging nobody who doesn't go, because, you know, it's not for everybody. But me, I'm going to make the best of it, and I'm going to get a degree in something. I'm still doing research on it, guys. Probably business, because I do want to get my own lash business, because I do love lashes. Now that's what I do love, is some lashes. So I might do that. I don't know yet. I gotta pray about it. Yeah, it's looking alright. This is the first video to makeup, because when I make a lot of videos and I start getting better, I'm gonna go back to this video and be like, okay, we made a lot of progress. Where I put that at? Nah, I know I don't put too much on her. I just thought my eyebrows do not look like, they do not look fleek. I mean, I know they're not gonna look fleek because they need to be threaded. I used to get my eyebrows waxed, but I had went with my friends to get my eyebrows waxed one time, but they ended up saying that, you know, threading is better. And, you know, me, I didn't know much about threading anyway, so I was like, my number one question I'm gonna ask, do it hurt? you know, not as bad as waxing does. And I'm like, for real? Oh my God. I mean, waxing, it stopped hurting me a long time ago anyways. So I was like, okay. No, threading does hurt worse than waxing does. That's off the charts right there. Like whoever lies to you tell you that waxing is worse, they're a liar. They're lying. Waxing is just like easy, piece of cake. Threading, I think the first rip off they do is breathtaking, and then you start getting used to it as they go. I don't know. That's as good as it's gonna be. Girl, this is me during the summer. This is me during winter, but since I didn't go outside or anything, I'm still this color. I don't think you do, so you in the other through. Oh, that smells so good. Babe, I don't think you do, so who this? Who this? Hi. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for checking me. Thank y'all for checking me out. I think I look pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Look pretty good.